So we're going there at Sing Sing Mart. This one. Let's try that. So these are the side dish. Sam Jude in the house. So yung pinamalengke namin, ayan na, niluluto na. We're going to buy some gifts in Fields. Korean Town. Look at your face. Let's go. With the girls, with the boys, with the girls.
With the boys.
Korea Fields. Korea Fields. Pinag-isa, Korean Town. We're here in Fields, going to Korean Town. So look at the place. This is it. We're in Korea. So here in Korea, there's BFI. Joke only. So here in Korean Town, it's tropic. So we're going to Sing Sing Mart. So that's it.
So this is it.
Inside this.
A ring.
So we're going there at Sing Sing Mart. So dyan yung Korean town. So it's traffic, guys. Sir, we're here at Sing Sing Supermarket. So here at Sing Sing. Kinita mo kaya muna, crime meats. Tapos mag-compute ka. So sa Sing Sing may grocery. Yes. I think these are the goods. Diba? Yeah, it's 500.
Pork?
Yeah, it's pork.
500
Of course. And we'll just get some.
Wala ko yun.
Kamanipis.
Yun o, akala ko
Kita ng mga palapin. Yeah. Yes. So, asata ng makaninikan yan. Mga dalawa. O, yan, dalawa. Kasi meron na tayo ng isa. It's 169 and sorry. So sa beef, this one it's 300 again. Yan na. How about this? O puro na ba kanina? What's that?
255.
Sasapalya. This one? Short plate. It's for some. It's for kimchi jjigae. Ne. Ay na mo mas okay yun. Oh, 245. Let's try. Let's try that. So what is that?
Beef short ribs.
Beef. Ito na beef short ribs. Ay, hindi ba to outside skirt?
Except the parts din.
Anong wagyu kaya?
Let's put it here. Okay, next. The noodles. Would you like to pick some seaweeds there? Kaya yata yung wagyu. Ali. Ay, hindi pala ting kaya. Hindi palang kilo-kilo. So, if you want some here, then yung marinated. Kaya hindi kami sinaligan to. Ayan. So, dito yung seaweeds besides the meats. What? So, we're getting some, noodles. Jin ramen. Of course, Jin ramen. It's 180. And then buldak carbonara. Please, can you get one buldak? Ate, 180 and how much is that? What? Pwede nila ding noodles sa din yun. No. Buldak.
Ano ibig sabihin ng gourmet? Yes. Buldak.
Spicy.
Not good.
What?
Buldak is not good.
It's not good.
It's good. It's good.
What? It's good.
I just dislike spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. Don't like spicy. Come here. Ate Lois, what are you waiting for? Do we have some butane pa? Na. Tinta pang butane. Can you get some too? 2. Sa 59. The butane. The butane part. And we'll get some kimchi here. Side dishes. Look at the side dishes. Okay, side dishes. So we're waiting for our sister Lois to get some. Oh, I think. What's the best kimchi so far?
Radish kimchi.
Why do you like radish kimchi?
It's the crunchiness.
I think it's the
crunchiness.
it's the cabbage one.
Crunchiness.
Oh, the cabbage. This one. I like this. 90 and 90. So you tell Ate Lois the price, okay? 60, 60, 90, 90. So it's 180 plus 120. Okay? Don't forget that. Okay?
300.
Is it 300?
180 plus 120.
Yeah.
300.
Oh, you tell her, okay? 300. So these are the side dish. What's that? Huh? How much is that?
120.
No, we just get 3. Sige, 4. How much is that?
480.
Oh, you get. You add 120 times 4, 480. 480 plus 300 is 780. Okay? 780.
780.
Let's get some. Enoki mushroom. It's 40. 780 plus 120. Yeah.
780 plus 3 mushrooms.
It's 120.
120 times 3.
No!
120 on.
Yes, overall. Let's pick some Romanian lettuce. This is the Romanian lettuce. Let's get some Romanian lettuce. It's 90 pesos. This is enough. It's Romanian lettuce. Yeah, it's just 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's 90. Is that enough? This is enough, right? Well, let's ask her. Ate Lois is lag. She's lost. She's lost. She's lost and we're having our groceries full here. I think she's getting something. Let's go. She's lost. Let's get to her. I really love the strawberries. Let's see. Oh, it's 600. Yeah, already buy it. Strawberries, Ate Lois. Big strawberries, sweet darling. This romaine lettuce. Is this enough? Okay. It's romaine lettuce. It's not Romanian. We got some side dish. Like this egg roll. 4 pieces. 4 packs. 4 packs. So what we're going to do next? Nothing? Let's go here. We'll get some ice cream. If we can. Hey! What are you doing? Let's go here. What's that? It's ice cream. Let's pick some ice cream here. Should I pick some also? I'll pick some ice cream. I'll pick some ice cream. It's Pepero. Oh, it's yummy.
Ganun pili sa akin. Saka,
Me too.
sa mango.
Yes, the mango, yan. Don't know what to choose eh. There's nothing. Magnum.
Wala na.
Dok.
Tapos naman yan.
No?
Ayan.
Why don't you ask the the price of that? It's sale. Now, for other foreigners, there are some salubongs here from Cebu or from Davao and other pasalubongs. So if you want some shabu-shabu here, there's also some shabu-shabu. Uy, mango! There's a lot of mango. Durian? It's smelly. The durian is smelly. So we have bought some stuff here. Ate Lois, where are you again? Ate Lois is missing. No, you should ask. Did you punch it? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Uy, itong favorite mo, RJ. Ay, I thought it's the Look at that. Chichiria. Wasabi. Where? The wasabi. George favorite. Wasabi. No? Daming cookies. This is souvenir. Look. No. I think so. I think it's a candle. No, I don't know. Let's read it. Let's smell it. I don't know what's that. These are drinks. Dragon fruit. What's graviola? Graviola for Guyabano. Durian. Noni, look at this. It's patot. It's what's that? Patoti. Kalonsi. Moringa, it's malunggay. But this one, I don't know what's this. Oh, that's the dried one, the black. What's that? It's noni. What is this? It's ampalaya.
No.
What are those? So moringa. These are ampalaya, dried ampalaya. So where are they?
Moringa tablets.
What is that? So you have ampalaya also here. Right? That's Dr. Mary. And then I don't know this. Noni.
This one.
It's noni.
Kay
What?
first fruit.
Yung Sagada coffee. Cup of Joe. Sagada, kung san man ay sinigang. So over there are beauty products. and some dog food. So, sa Sing Sing, kumpleto na lahat. Kumpleto yung varieties. So, Ate Lois is still searching for some side dishes. So, we're going to the counter. Let's go now. So, papa-counter na us. Sing Sing! Uy, there's a tart. Look, what's that? Uy, chicken. Korean snacks. Chicken poppers. We 150. Let's eat it in the car.
Let's go.
So here's the counter. We will be paying. So here at Sing Sing, there's also a tinapay. What? Saboro, garlic, cream cheese, sausage pizza. Cream cheese, cheese roll. Uy, sausage koroki. Sausage koroki.
Krok.
Ito ka na donut. It's tasty.
Talaga?
What din niya? Shikpan. Sing Shikpan. It tastes, I think it's good. Oh, there's a turon. Oh, yeah. So, we're here at the counter for punching our groceries. Kasi magsasamji kami later. Okay, abangan nyo later yung samji natin. Seat! Uy! Mahangin sa labas! Mahangin sa labas. Let's go! Let's go here. Oh, mamura na. Let's go! We're going to Marky Mall. Okay. Let's go. Look at them. Okay. So, nagmerienda muna kami ng samangko. That's it. The chicken. Sige, go. Chicken poppers sana eh. Samangko and chicken poppers. So, let's eat. Sarap.
Saan ng luya?
There's matcha. Again?
Green tea.
How about RJJ? What's your ice cream? The brainy.
Vanilla bread.
The brainy one. So we're going here at Marky Mall.
And buy some stuff.
We're going to buy cocoa milk tea and the cake of Ellie Girl. Masa. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Matsa. So we're going to Marky Mall, Ayala Mall. Let's go here at the entrance. Look at the hair of Ate Lois. So, pagpasok mo pa lang dito sa Marky Mall, amoy mo na yung Jayco Donut. Kasi dito yung pwesto ng Jayco. Ayala Marky Mall. Let's go. There is the Jayco. So, here we go. So, we're going at the Red Ribbon. Lawrence will pay the parking. Okay. Let's go. Red Ribbon. Kanina pala yung Red Ribbon eh. Yeah. Red Ribbon. Yeah.
Meto money ni meto money.
Are na.
Caramel delight. Ayun yung may andi na to.
Para na kilo. Open. Number 2. Thank you. Celebration. Are you okay with that? Tamanabo yung madiskaril yan. Let's go to Coco. So cute, so cute. The Coco. Pakalata tawo. There's the Coco. Coco Maria. We're here at the Coco. Madaming nabili. Coco. We bought Coco. Meron siyang, what's you call this cooler?
Eco bag cooler.
Eco bag cooler daw yan. Ganda, diba? Pa-free kasi dami namin binili, mga 5. No. So we're going here at this alley. It's the alley of Harry Potter. Let's go, guys. Uwi na kami. Let's go home. Marky, exit. Let's go. Here, Ate Lois. She's lost again. Let's get ready to rumble. So these are the meats. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa bahay. Pero wala mo. Lilo. So these are the meats. Let's get some. Luto ko. Chatlu.
Ano parang carbonara?
Tingin mo. Adwa. We're going to carbonara and gin ramen. Yun. So we're preparing. Here's the meats. And then this is the meat. Enoki. So we're cooking this one. Yan yung ating beef and pork. Hiwalay. Yung ating cook boy. Cook boy. So we wait. Hindi naman.
Magkaya kang blower.
Open. Yan ang kwarto mo. Hindi may aircon. Sinunog nyo. Oh my gulay. Dapat iniwan nyo na to. No? Samji day in the house. So yung pinamalengke namin, ayan na, niluluto na. Here's the samyang, carbo, and then this is the gin ramen. Huli si Kenneth, gutom na gutom.
Parang siya.
Wala niya na lang sino yung missing. Wow! So the side dishes. Where's the side dishes? Wow! Wow! Wow, samyang. The kimchi. Oh, bilis maubos ng kimchi, no? Ito, masarap na to. I'll just get some samyang also. Then my chopstick. Ano ba rin malabsang samyang? Why? Masarap pag walang Coca-Cola. Joke lang. Sino kong nala? Busog na yata sila. Mother's not yet here. Oh, RJ, huli. Can you pour this? Coca-Cola. Yes!
Wapang-order mo na ako. Bayaran ko na ang pakiro.
Yurinig ko yung Marco. RJ. Oh, mother! What's that? Ate Lois, chill.
Masarap pala to, oh.
Ano yan?
Coco.
Patikim.
Lemon black tea.
Yeah, it's great. What? What's the flavor?
It's lemon black tea.
Okay. Eh, how about this? What's this?
It's samyang-tang.
Is it good?
Yeah. But I'm full.
Minumita. Hindi kami may eh. Coke lang. Casper, the friendly ghost. So, nandito na yung ating prinsesa.
Yung aming second princess.
First princess yun eh.
Princess pala. Sorry.
Princess.
Anong binili mo?
Bumili ako doon ng Xiaomi.
Oh, Xiaomi baka naman.
Water resistant yun. Para pag ano ako.
Oh.
Yung third ko ang iPad. Ako na yung mga formal
Kaya. Dora the Explorer.
third kong iPad. Buri na iPhone sila. Pwede din. Ako din.
Oh.
Ay, picture mo, okay.
Someone's watching this, she wants iPad.
You know who you are.
Someone wants an iPad. Whoever you are. Shout out to you. I think you're living in Switzerland.
Oh no.
So, here we go. Dahil tapos na, yan na yung aftermath ng ating pagkain. At wala nang natira kundi si Ate Loistel. Siya na ang nagmalengke, siya na ang nagayos, nagprepare, siya din na maglilinis. Good job, Ate Lois, palaklakan. Diba? Walang tao si mother na lang. Oh. Wala nang tao, guys. Oh, wala na. Wala na sila. Busog na sila eh. Diba? Wala na. Oh. Natira. It's Ate Lois and me again. Dalawa kami laging pagod. Okay. Samjay for today. Thank you, thank you.